Hello students, welcome to the JCE Connect channel. Today the topic is SMIME, that is a secure multipurpose internet mail extension. In the previous lecture we have seen, or in the previous class we have seen the PGP, Pretty Good Privacy, its services, email compatibility and cryptography functions associated with it. Today we shall discuss about secure multipurpose internet mail extensions, a technology that allows you to encrypt your emails. In the previous class we have seen PGP, Pretty Good Privacy, its services, email compatibility, cryptographic functions associated with it. Today we'll discuss about SMIME, means secure multipurpose internet mail extensions, a technology that allows you to encrypt your emails. SMIME is used to encrypt your emails. Secure multi-purpose internet mail extension is based on asymmetric cryptography to protect your emails from unwanted access. It also allows you to digitally sign your emails to verify you as the legitimate sender of the message, making it an effective weapon against many phishing attacks. Now let us begin with secure multipurpose internet mail extension. SMIME is a protocol for the secure exchange of email and attached documents, originally developed by RSA Security. SMIME, Secure Multipurpose Internet Mail Extension, is a protocol for the secure exchange of email and attached documents, originally developed by RSA Security. Secure Multipurpose Internet Mail Extension SMIME adds security to internet email based on the Simple Mail Transfer Protocol SMTP. SMIME adds the security to internet emails based on SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol method. What is SMTP? Simple Mail Transfer Protocol is a standard application layer protocol. It is a standard application layer protocol for delivery of email over TCP/IP internet, such as the internet. The basics of Simple Mail Transfer Protocol are defined in RFC, request for comment. And SMTP supports for digital signatures and encryption to SMTP mail to support authentication of the sender and privacy of communication. How SMIME works? SMIME, Secure Multipurpose Internet Mail Extension, is an extension of the widely implemented multipurpose internal mail extension. It is an extension of MIME. SMIME is an extension of MIME encoding standard. What is MIME? Multipurpose internet mail extension. How we define it? MIME is widely used internet standard for encoding. MIME is widely used internet standard for encoding binary files to send them as email attachment over the internet. MIME is Multipurpose Internet Mail Extension is a widely used internet standard for encoding binary files to send them as email attachments over the internet. So our SMIME is an extension of MIME encoding standard, which defines how the body portion of the SMTP message is structured and formatted. SMIME uses the RSA public key cryptographic algorithm. SMIME uses the RSA public key cryptography algorithm along with DES, data encryption standard, or Rivest-Shamir-Adleman RSA encryption algorithm. SMIME uses RSA public key cryptographic algorithm along with DES and RSA encryption algorithm. In an SMIME message, the MIME body section consists of message in PKCS format that contains an encrypted form of MIME body parts. MIME content type for the encrypted data is application MIME. I'll repeat once again what is MIME. SMIME is a protocol for the secure exchange of email and attached documents originally developed by RSA Security. Secure multipurpose internet mail extension adds the security to internet email based on SMTP method, simple mail transfer protocol method, and adds support for digital signatures and encryption to SMTP mail to support authentication of the sender and privacy of the communication. SMIME is an extension of MIME. What is MIME? Is widely used internet standard for encoding binary files to send them as email attachment over the internet. MIME defines how the body portion of SMTP message is structured and formatted. Yes, MIME uses the RS public key cryptography algorithm along with DES and RSA encryption algorithms. In SMIME message, the MIME body section consists of the message in PKCS7 format that contains encrypted form of the MIME body parts. So just if you have any doubts, you can ask me personally to my WhatsApp number.